you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you. Now I know I've had a lot of hauls lately and not much of variety, other types of videos. So I am going to work on that. I am going to do first impressions with a lot of the new makeup that I'm showing you. And I have some other ideas of videos that I'd really like to film and upload. So look forward to that by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell because I know you want to. Now, this haul today is from Colourpop, and I have one thing from e.l.f. Cosmetics to show you as well. But I'm just so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys, so I'm going to start right now. The first thing from Colourpop is just, I got one of the single pressed powder shadows. They come in cute little packages like this, and you can get a Z palette or an empty, eyeshadow palette and put the singles in the empty palette. This eyeshadow single is in the shade Snake Eyes. Look how pretty. Sadie! Look how pretty that is. I saw it and I had to have it. I have a few other Colourpop shadow singles. Not a lot, but I was actually thinking about doing, because I haven't really done my makeup collection type videos, so I was thinking of maybe doing my eyeshadows in a video showing you guys all of my eyeshadows. So that would probably be the first one I did of my makeup collection. I don't think I'd do my whole makeup collection. I think maybe I'd split it up. But we'll see. We'll see down the road what happens. But I'll swatch this color for you. Look at that. I think that's so pretty. I wonder why this is called Snake Eyes, though. And so that's you. I mean, we all know how good Colourpop shadows are. So look at that. It definitely looks more rose gold swatch. It looks more pink in the pan, but swatched it definitely looks more of rose gold. That's pretty. The next thing I ordered, I have two eyeshadow palettes from Colourpop. So the first one I'll show you, I think, is fairly new. It's pretty much is what it's called. It's a little one. It has 6 eyeshadows in it, and there's some berry tones in here, and some neutral, and like a really nice taupe. I love taupe shades. I love berry shades, and I love neutral shades. So that's what the palette looks like, and I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. These are pretty. So that's what these 6 shadows look like swatched. Those are pretty. And again, that's what the little palette looks like. I think this was like $12, so that's, $2 an eyeshadow. It's a really good deal, really good deal. Okay, the next thing is, I'm really excited about this, guys. Initially, I wasn't sure if I was going to pick this up, but I finally caved, and this is definitely a YouTube made me buy it, and I do enjoy supporting other beauty YouTubers, especially Kathleen Lights, because I just think she's a doll. This is Kathleen Lights, the collaboration she did with Colourpop, the Dream Street palette. Super, super excited, and the great thing about this palette is Kathleen, she has so many video tutorials using this palette, so if I'm ever stumped or don't feel creative that day, all I have to do is look at one of her videos. And speaking of, how I was talking about not having a lot of variety lately with my videos and doing a lot of hauls, and of course my beauty subscription boxes unboxing, I show you guys a lot. I was thinking of doing, how everybody's doing the, I tried to follow and then a beauty YouTuber's name video. Well, I had an idea, like I've been wanting to do some recreations of other beauty YouTubers tutorials. So I was thinking of doing, a recreation of one of her looks, one of Kathleen Light's looks using this palette. So give this video a thumbs up if that's something you would be interested in. I want to get a feel for it to see if it's something that I should, film or not. If it's something that people would be interested in watching or not. But she definitely has a lot, and she has this one that Allie Glines actually followed, and it was using these 2 green colors. And I just loved the way that look came out. So yeah, I definitely plan on recreating some tutorials from other beauty YouTubers, but I'm not going to have it where the video's in the bottom corner and I'm literally watching them step by step. I'm going to recreate it, but put my own spin on it, possibly. Maybe not use the exact same products, maybe use some of the same products. It's not going to be that one you're seeing floating around now where you're like, you watch a clip of their video, then you do that step, back, forth, back, forth. It's not going to be like that. It's going to be just more just natural, like I watch their video and then I just sit down and I play with my makeup and I recreate it and maybe put my own spin on it. I think that would be a lot of fun. So this is what the beautiful palette looks like. I mean, God, gosh, just look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. So I suppose you guys would probably want me to swatch these. So I will swatch a few of these for you. I'd say I want to see how these mattes are. Okay. So obviously this like tan color, whoops, this tan color here would be a really great transition shade. So let's see how that swatches. Okay, so that's, oh, that swatches very nicely. That's one swipe. The color above it is Snake Eyes, the single that I showed you. But yeah, that swatches really beautifully. It actually swatches better than the mattes in this pretty much palette. Yay! Now this silverish, like it's silver. Oh my god. This, I have to swatch this silver for sure. It's really pretty. It's, oh, I think it's a duochrome. Yeah, it's a duochrome. So it's hard to see, but then once you start moving it, you can see, you know, it kind of change colors there. Now let's do the teals. We definitely have to check those out. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Alright. Oh wow, that's like a very smoky green. Wow, these are smoky. There's almost like a, in the shimmer one, there's almost, you can almost see some black, like underneath. Those are pretty though. I'm really excited to play with this palette. I'm going to swatch one more of the shimmer shade. Which one? This will do this one. But I mean, again, this palette was only $16, so you know Colourpop is good quality. And they're super affordable. Oh, this is a really nice copper right there. But yeah, so I mean, this palette, it gets you 16 pans of eyeshadow. It's $16. And then the other one that I showed you guys, $12. Colourpop, very affordable prices, drugstore prices really, but very decent quality products. So I absolutely love Colourpop, and I, you know, try to place a Colourpop order once every few months. Okay, so the last thing from Colourpop I got, so these Super Shock highlighters come in similar packaging like the Super Shock shadows, but of course they're a little bit bigger. And so this is in Flexitarian. So this is a really nice, like light, like pale gold color, champagne gold. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's velvety, like it's so silky smooth. I love their Super Shock line. Absolutely love it. Oh my god. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do it just like this for you. So this is the highlighter. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Such a pretty color. Alright, so that's everything for Colourpop. The last thing I wanted to show you is from e.l.f. I did purchase one product from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. cosmetics, I really do, and they do have them, you know, at some of my local stores. They carry e.l.f. products, but not nearly as many as that they have on the market. So I do like to make purchases off their website. The only issue I have is it takes so long. It takes so long for me to get my order that I've placed with e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it's just the way it is. I don't know if it's where I live. I mean, I'm in the U.S., but it just takes a really long time, but that's okay. It's definitely worth it, and their prices are so affordable. This, I saw Tati using it in a video, and I really wanted it, so I decided, what the heck, I'll pick one up. I think this is limited edition. It is the Rose Gold Matte Lip Vault. So this baby right here was $35, and it comes with 10 matte lipsticks, and they're in a stick form. So these are all the colors you get down here. So 10 of them, $35, so basically $3.50 each. What a great deal. I'm going to just swatch a couple of them and show you what they look like when they're opened. So look at that beautiful rose gold packaging. So nice. And it's like a lipstick crayon. So I'm going to swatch this lightest shade. Oh, that's really nice. That's a beautiful nude color. And then we'll go for one of these like rich red. Oh wow. They feel very nice. They glide on very, very smoothly. So I'll swatch some more. We'll do Scarlet Night, the darkest one. Okay, that's not as dark as it looked like it's going to be. Okay, so I swatched 3 of them for you guys. We have Natural here, and then we have Rich Red is in the middle, and then Scarlet Night. So yeah, that is everything that I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and checking out all the new stuff I got, and I hope maybe this gave you some ideas of things that you'd like to purchase yourself. And let me know in the comments below if there's any products that I've shown in this haul or recent hauls that you would like me to include in my first impression videos that will be coming up very soon. Just leave it in the comments the products that you'd like to see, and I hopefully will not have filmed it before I've seen your comment, because I would love to have your guys' input and feedback. I think that's a really important part of what I'm doing here. And I thank you again for being here with me and spending some time and hanging out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.